enjoy it because there's so much that's unknown and it's such a challenge. Like every day is different. You're not doing the same thing all the time. And I just find it so fascinating as well. Probably my favorite thing is trying to figure out how everything fits together, how it all works. And I really love that we're able to do that. I'm a PhD student in Bill Key's lab, and I'll just be at the beginning of my 4th year. Basically, I'm studying senescence, and I'm studying it in a very specific context, and I was studying senescence in the context of development.
We were really lucky in that we had published a piece of research that was quite new, and so the New York Times was interested in interviewing the group and my group leader. So it was really exciting. It was really nice to see, and it's something you can actually send home to your parents, for example, and they can understand exactly what you're doing. So.
There are a lot of very young, for example, PIs, principal investigator, and they are really young and they are really good. So for us, postdoc, it's very nice to work with them and to see how they develop their career, and so just looking at them we learn a lot. And I am a senior postdoc here in the CRG in the lab of Pia Cosma, and I'm working on retinal degeneration. Basically, we demonstrated that neurons can be reprogrammed back, and that by this process we can obtain regeneration of the nervous tissue. So this is an important discovery.
It's really nice. I like it here. The CRG environment is a really dynamic environment. It's quite young. You have a lot of people that are really driven, and they all seem to be together in the same environment. So it's actually a really nice environment to thrive in. I really like it.
For sure, to have the name of the CRG in my CV will let me to find a position in another institute, because of course it's an advantage for me, the fact that I can say that I come from a very big institute and a very important institute that is recognized worldwide.
Basically, I came here at the beginning because I was really interested in the research that they had, and then when I arrived here, not only was the research really good, but it was a great environment, and it's quite interesting here because you have a lot of different labs that can be quite diverse, and it's really good to make collaborations between the labs or learn new techniques.
For the study, for me to be here in CRG was really important. First of all, because of the facilities that we have. We have a very good microscopy facility, so all the images that I had to take to demonstrate my experiment, it was very easy. And also we have a very good animal facilities.
It's a great place for students because a lot of students actually do really well. I'm surprised at how high a lot of the students publish and the quality of journals and the quality of research that comes out done by students. So we obviously get a lot of mentoring from the PIs, and it's a great institute for having a lot of interaction with your group leaders.
Yeah, as a PhD student, it's quite nice because we're at the beginning and we have the whole world ahead of us, basically. And I feel like there are a lot of options, but there are a lot of questions as well. And I kind of feel like in the next 2 years I'll become more specialized and I'll be a bit more certain of the choices that I make, basically.